Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious no-bake brownies, a simple treat requiring no oven. We will start by gathering a few basic ingredients, often found in a commissary or convenience store. You will need about 1 package of chocolate sandwich cookies, 1 small box of instant chocolate pudding mix, and some water. Having a durable plastic bag and a mixing bowl will be very helpful for this process. Now, let's prepare our brownie base. First, carefully separate the cream filling from approximately 20 chocolate sandwich cookies, setting the filling aside for later. Place the cookie wafers into a strong plastic bag. Using a heavy, cylindrical object, like a deodorant stick or a can, crush the cookies until they resemble fine crumbs, almost like flour. Then, transfer these crushed cookies into your mixing bowl. Next, we will combine our ingredients to create the brownie mixture. Add the reserved cookie cream filling to your crushed cookies. Then, incorporate 1 small box of instant chocolate pudding mix. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of water, mixing thoroughly until a thick, pliable dough forms. You might find it easiest to use your hands, perhaps wearing plastic gloves, to ensure everything is well blended and has a consistent texture. For the final step, press your brownie mixture firmly into a small, flat container, such as a ramen noodle case lined with plastic wrap. Use a spoon or your hands to smooth the top evenly. Place the container in a refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing the brownies to firm up completely. Once set, you can slice and enjoy your delicious no-bake brownies. For an extra touch, consider a simple frosting of powdered sugar and a few drops of water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.